Well, I'm up here at Hidden Valley Lake. I plan on going to Laurel Bed, but of course, a tree fell and damaged the switchback, so they've closed the road again. I'm not fooling with going up here no more. I'm liable to catch something right in here. Might catch me a big old cat or a bike, you know. I forgot to put a smaller hook on there. May have to go to big one here in a minute. Might catch something up here, you never know. I said I never had much luck at the bear tree, I did, so you never know. Should be at least a bluegill or something laying in near these laurels. You'll see them little fingerling fish underneath the shadow of that log. They look like little baby bass. You can catch some of the fish with them on the look at the worms. Getting a bite. Come on, fishy. Oh, he's hitting it. He's hitting it. Well, look at there. I finally caught something. One of our used for catfish bait. Probably the same guy. Boy, it's a nice little slab. Nice slab bluegill. Damn, my brain ain't working. Man, that's a pretty bluegill. Look at that. Fat one, too. I'll let you go. Back at it. I'm hopefully going to Royal Treat Lake after work tomorrow to try out the old new catfish reel I bought. It's got more ass than the other one did. We'll see how hard they are on it. Got me another slab. Man, he's a fighting. Yeah, oh man, he's a big one. Woo! Look at that, people. Now that's a slab. Too bad I ain't taking him home to eat. Slab number 2. Girl, what a damn beast, boys. God. Let's see how long this bad boy is. Ouch. Almost 10 inches. Right on 10 inches. Nice. Man, it was a nice bluegill just caught. It's bound to weigh close to a pound. It's 10 inches long. That thing fought. There's always bluegills around these laurels hanging over in the water. Just about anywhere you fish, if there's fish in there. I'll probably grab me a big cat after a while. You never know. It's about 7:45. I'll fish till darkish. See a lot of little bluegills in the water. I'm going to use me one for catfish, maybe. If I decide to stay, I've got to work in the morning. Never stopped me before. Here's that. A little bass. A smallmouth. What y'all think, boys? Boys and girls, let me get here, you can see it. He's a little one, but hell. Fish is fish, right? Get in the camera here. Hold on, boy. Hold on, boy. Hold on now, boy. Been watching this little sucker going in and out under the edge of a tree. It's laying in the water, and there's little baby fish under there. He's been after him. I finally caught him with the worm. He's pretty. Hell, I'll take him. Well, that ain't a smallmouth. My mistake, it's a large. Pretty. Getting dark on me. Pretty nice, boys. Well, I decided to call her quits. It's getting dark, nothing was biting. 2 nice slab bluegills and a nice little bite, a foot long or so, largemouth. Yeah, it was worth the trip. Hopefully tomorrow after work, I'll hit old Royal Treat Lake with my new catfish reel. Let the games begin. Take it greasy.